Ecuadorian Hairless dog. A likely relative of the Peruvian Inca orchid, the Ecuadorian Hairless dog is another ancient breed, though this one, as its namesake foretells, is rooted in Ecuador. Exceptionally rare in the modern day, this breed sports very minimal hair on their bodies, most of it on its head. These dogs have a strong hunting drive as they were bred for capturing small rodents, and they have a decent amount of energy. That said, this breed loves its people and loves nothing more than cuddling up next to them for affection.